comes the birthday girl. Say hello, Katie.
Hey, birthday girl.
Okay, ready? Come on, let's sit. What's that? What is that?
Happy birthday! You sit in the birthday chair. Let me see.
Birthday. I sit next to the birthday girl.
Happier today. This wasn't. Oh,
Oh, what hat? Let me put your hat on.
you got it straight.
No, I don't know.
No, you don't know how to put it on. Let me help.
Oh, Daddy! Everybody's got hats.
And we got candy bracelets.
Okay, what are we gonna sing?
You gotta wait for Grandma, Jane.
All right.
Put your hat on.
Maybe about 2 minutes. You might want to.
I never got a candy watch.
So don't have a cow.
Ready? Ready? Do you do yours?
Wait.
Where'd your string go? Blow. Ow. Blow hard. Let go. Let go.
Maggie.
Blow hard.
Smile.
Blow hard. Dude. Whoa! You just put that in your mouth and she has a fever? She doesn't.
Katie, blow your thing.
Blow. Blow. Blow.
Oh, good.
Harder, Molly.
Harder.
Hey, Molly.
Molly takes her thumb and it came out. It's 5 o'clock, everybody. Dinner. Dinner, everybody.
You ready?
You ready?
1 second.
This one says 8 o'clock.
Woo!
Oh.
Oh my goodness.
How many candles are there?
Oh, how many candles, Katie? Here.
Isn't there missing a candle?
No, I got the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katie. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Blow on your candles.
Come on, big blow, big blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
First time.
Wow, what a lot of hot air.
Good girl.
Yours, right? 8 or 9? 8.
Not in a cake
Yeah, mine goes
Molly.
I'm coming.
Molly, Molly, who wait? Molly, Nick. Molly, Nick.
Molly, here comes Molly.
I'll get it.
Take cashews down.
You wanna taste of mine? You wanna taste of mine? You got a big one. That's a candy necklace.
That's for the birthday girl, that's why.
Oh yes, I got the good one. Yes.
Let me hold
problem.
it.
I don't have a fork.
Let me hold what you can take. You want the cake?
Whoa, that wind is blowing.
Nice.
Hey.
Okay, you know what?
Nice cool wind.
Yes, we need a breeze.
Here's the fork for Katie, and here's the fork for Tommy, and here's the fork for Molly.
Oh, Molly.
See, I can do it when I do them one name at a time. Here's the fork for Maggie.
Gonna sing and dance. Oh, sing.
Go ahead, Molly, sing.
Here, Molly.
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 Go,
Put it there, so like, come on. You ready? No, okay.
Put it inside.
Tightening it or taking it off?
Why can't we? It's already tight.
So they say.
You'll have to give me pointers. Mommy, why can't we sing it?
Molly, come on. Can you do it? Then we'll go watch it on TV, okay?
How you get close to grandchildren that aren't here?
Are you still eating?
He could have danced all night. I could have danced all night. And still have danced
Listen, listen.
I got a traveling. I got 1,000 things I never done before.
All at once. You made it so
Tom, back up.
exciting.
Why
all at once, my heart took flight. I only know when she began to dance with me. I could have danced.
Not unless it's a problem.
Come on, give her a hand. You were good.
For me, Katie.
That's from Maggie and Molly.
What is it, Maggie?
For me.
What is it?
My poem it is.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that was trash.
Oh my God! It's bugs. Whoa.
Oh my God, what? Oh my
Can
God.
we help
is
you?
it?
What is it?
I like it.
It's for me.
Tom?
There you go.
$4 for a card.
Sit. Sit.
Come on, Katie, open it.
Oh,
I
let's
still want it.
Oh.
hold it up so we can see it.
Maggie, sit down.
Oh my God.
Jumanji.
Hold it up.
Here, you get the
Hold it up. Yay!
Put it down a little so we can see your face.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Very nice.
What
He's
is
on a
that?
roll. No.
So, you know what? Why don't you take those presents out so I can put the trash?
Oh, what's this?
Oh, wait, I think that's gonna be a bin.
A what?
I think it's going to be a present. What kind of present? It's something you really wanted.
Uh-oh. What is it? What?
What is it?
What is
I
it?
have no clue.
I know.
I know.
Of course, because you gave it to her.
What is it?
Open it up. Open it up, baby.
A jewelry box.
Oh.
I was stunned there for a moment too. Honey.
You can put all your
Now
jewelry
my
in it.
jewelry. No, it's not. He's not breaking it. Let him open it.
Yep.
Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty.
Actually, most
Hey, what do you think? It's a garbage?
for this place.
Gotta have the air
Okay,
conditioner
Kate,
on.
Molly. Come next to Daddy. See him over there?
Want me to help you?
Nice smell.
Can I see? I can't see it.
What is
It's
it?
in the back.
Nail polish.
Oh, let me
Hold
see.
it up.
Hold it
Hold
up.
it up. We see it.
Everybody see it.
What's in the nail polish?
Linda!
Sparkles.
Open mine now. Open mine.
Sparkle.
Sit down, Molly.
Sit down.
Open it up. Oh, what is it? Here, on my way.
Going on 40.
No, you go like this. Okay, here, I'll show you.
What is it?
Wow.
What is it?
That's
Show me.
perfect for your jewelry box.
Oh my.
Yeah!
Yeah, that deserves a kiss.
Oh.
That deserves a kiss, Missy.
Bracelets and a ring.
Oh,
Whoa.
Oh, wait.
how pretty.
Tommy went shopping for you.
Oh, what's he saying?
Ah.
But what about the Adventures
Huh?
and what? We buy that?
Tommy, here.
Sit down.
Missy.
We have more presents here. More presents!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sarah, wait a second. Now take it. Let me feel it. That's from me and Steven.
This is from Aunt Jane and Uncle Steve. I have no clue what this is.
That's from you.
It's from me?
Yes, to her.
You better say thank you.
Oh,
What is it?
oh my God.
Stop moving, will you? A pretty new dress. Oh, look at
And what's the other?
Hide your pants, will you?
That's from me.
Oh. Oh.
Here. You just take the tape off this. Yeah, I helped you. Don't bite. You go like that. There you go.
Right, last year you take a lot of that.
Oh, yeah. No, she didn't mention before.
Pretty.
Oh.
Look,
It's
half
a
things in
cow.
the back. Half things in the back.
All right, hold them up so we can see them, will you?
Reds and pretty
Oh,
for your
yeah!
hair.
What a hair bow.
Love it.
Tommy, let me
Love to
get
wear
that
pretties in
animal
your
so I
hair.
can hold it.
Yeah. Let me see this. Yeah. Go show the Poppy.
Let me see.
Wait, no. Let me see Poppy. Yeah, just show the Poppy. That's
Could I hold it for a little while?
Here, how's bad? Alright. That's hard for.
Birth certificate.
Dad, what are you?
Sarah, give her the box.
How to merchandise a product, I tell you.
I know.
Oh, she won't like that. The other, she might.
Winnie the Pooh?
Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, I like it.
Hey, you're 4. You're Katie Love Grampy and Creamy Buckley.
What is it?
Let's see the card. Everyone see the card.
Pretty card, pretty card. Oh, yeah, pretty. Oh,
Not so fast.
what is this? Maggie.
Here you go.
Maggie.
Oh,
Kate.
Maggie.
I love it. Get the other piece to the present.
Oh.
hold on,
See
Miss
what it
Molly.
is. What is it?
Oh, no.
He's opening. He's opening.
New jammies.
Yeah!
Hey, neato. What? Oh, yeah, I know.
What is it, Kate?
Press the green. Press
What?
the green.
What is it?
Press the green. The green button. It flashes. No. See it?
Hold it up so we can see it. Hold it up.
It's flashing. It flashes.
Fashion.
Bring it over.
Yeah?
Oh, how beautiful.
No, don't open it.
Don't open it, okay? Oh, let's look at Mommy. It all lights up.
I know. It's here, I need some help with this.
off, Tommy. It'll just slide off.
Oh, it does.
Oh, I got pins and needles in my feet.
Move around a little bit.
I'm
Maggie.
sitting on them.
I see ya. I see ya.
She's up to no good, Pop.
She's up to no good is right.
Maggie, turn this way. Oh, there she is. I got the back of your head the whole time. Okay. She does have a face, everybody. Yes. See, let's get a little close up.
No.
Yeah, she does have a face. Yeah, there it is. Okay, go back to the birthday girl.
Oh. Hold it up, will you? Yeah.
I'll give you the present too.
That's from Nanny and Poppy Mitras. What'd you say?
Nanny and Poppy.
Mitras. We haven't seen this one yet.
I figured it was something. You'll like it.
Don't worry.
You will like it. I promise you.
Yeah, I'm sure she'll love it.
I don't know how to turn it on. Molly goes.
She's like the Dennis the Menace. It's like Home
I
Alone.
wouldn't have the famous idea how to turn it on.
Oh, yeah?
You need the guys who are scary. Don't put that on the ground. Here. Put that up.
Don't you look, devil.
Hey, Molly. Oh, green.
Oh, I know.
I know, Barbie. Barbie.
Let's see her. Let's
It
see
is
her.
Sweet Daisy Barbie.
Oh,
Say,
Sweet Daisy Barbie.
Oh.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah.
Oh.
Bring it over here. Let me see.
No.
No, that's it.
No, one more.
One more.
One more.
Money.
Say that
I
now.
can't.
What is it?
One last
Maggie,
more.
sit down, please.
One
Maggie,
more
sit down.
last. One more day. One more present. One more present. One more present. And it is. No, it's new thing.
Shorts? You opened that up?
What? Oh, pretty. Hold it up there.
Oh,
Let me see.
look at that
Nice.